Hi, this is Terrell, graphic recorder and creator of Frame the Message Inc. This is Picture This, the webcast series. Now we're going to look at creating visuals that communicate a concept. You don't have to be an artist or professional illustrator when you chart. Quite frankly, you don't really have time to be anyway. But as a visual communicator, your job is solely to communicate concepts in a way that is understood. That means simple, iconic images can communicate meaning. And yes, you can draw them. Think about the main idea in your concept and capture the essence of the message. Let's try. As a visual communicator, simply think about the concept, but don't overthink how to draw it. Sometimes simpler is better.